Okay, dear students, in the previous class, we know that positive radicals and negative radicals in the 7th standard. Now, after knowing the positive radicals and negative radicals in the last year in 7th standard, we know how to write crisscross method for writing chemical formula. When you know the positive radicals and negative radicals, then only you can able to write the chemical formula of given chemical. Today we are learning how to write the chemical formula by crisscross method. That is crisscross method for writing chemical formula. Here three steps are there to write the chemical formula. First one, write each symbol with its valency on top. Any chemical formula is given, in that is bifurcated to one. One is the positive radicals and another one is negative radicals. First you write the symbols of that and with its valency on the top. Already you know valency, monovalency, bivalency, trivalency. Right. And next step is interchange the valency. Then exchange it, interchange the valency. And the third step, the interchanged number, write interchanged number, and hence we will get the chemical formula. These are the three steps to write the chemical formula. Now we take one example, that is sodium hydroxide. In that sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is one chemical. How to write the chemical formula of sodium hydroxide? This is the positive radical. Sodium metal, it is positive radical. Hydroxide, it is negative radical. First you write the positive radicals and negative radicals. Here in this chart, I will send this chart, positive radicals and negative radicals. Here in this chapter, they are given positive radicals one side, negative radicals another one side. Refer this chart. First you refer this chart to write the chemical formula. In that positive radical, sodium Na plus 1. Sodium Na plus 1. Hydroxide OH minus 1. With the help of that, first you write the symbol of sodium Na plus 1. Because first you write the symbol with valency on top of the right side of them. That is positive radical Na plus 1. Hydroxide, the symbol of hydroxide is OH. The valency is minus 1. With the help of that chart you see I am writing. First step is completed. Na sodium, Na plus 1 monovalency. Both are plus 1 1 valency. And write next step is Na and OH. This is the complex radical. Therefore you write bracket. Complex radical, you write bracket. Next step is interchange the valency. Interchange, exchanging valency. Here valency is minus 1. Here valency is plus 1. Ignore the sign. Ignore it. Remove that sign. Here 1. Here 1. Here also 1. Both the valency are same. No need to write the valency. Cancel 1 and 1. Then the third step is write interchange number. Na sodium hydroxide, NaOH. That is chemical formula of sodium hydroxide is NaOH. Hydroxide, chemical formula of sodium hydroxide is NaOH. Like this, you write the chemical formula of given any chemicals. That first you know the positive radicals and negative radicals. These are the three steps to write the chemical formula by crisscross method. You take another one example. Calcium chloride. Another one example is calcium chloride. Example number 2. Calcium chloride. Calcium chloride is a chemical. What is the formula of calcium chloride? First step, you see that chart. Right now, what is the symbol of calcium? Ca. What is the valency of calcium? Ca plus 2. First you write the positive radicals. Then you go on to negative radical. Chloride, Cl. Chloride is a negative radical. Chloride, Cl minus 1. And next step is exchange the radical. Ca and Cl right hand is. Here, ignore the sign. Here minus 1 is there, you write only 1, ignore it. Plus or minus, ignore the sign. And third step, you write directly, write interchanged number. That is Ca, Cl2, calcium chloride. Calcium chloride is equal to CaCl2. This is the chemical formula of calcium chloride. Very easy to write this chemical formula using these 3 steps. And that positive and negative radicals table. You should learn that table. Last year also you learned. This time there are some more examples. That's all. You take one more example to write the chemical formula. Magnesium nitrate. Example number 3. Magnesium nitrate. Here magnesium nitrate, in that chart, first you see what is the symbol of magnesium. You write Mg. Mg is the symbol of magnesium. What is the valency of magnesium? Plus 2. This is the positive radical, bivalency. And nitrate, in that nitrate NO3 minus 1. NO3 valency is minus 1. Therefore, next step, Mg right hand is, and NO3. NO3 is complex radical. Therefore, you write, put the bracket. Here, minus 1. It becomes only 1. Ignore the sign. Here, plus 2. Here, only 2. Ignore the sign. Third step is write interchange number as is. Therefore, MgNO3 twice. Therefore, magnesium nitrate formula is MgNO3 twice. Only you follow these 3 steps. 1, 2, 3 steps, you will get the chemical formula. You take last and another one example. How to write the chemical formula. Ammonium sulfate. Ammonium sulfate. Here, ammonium is a positive radical. This one, ammonium is a positive radical. Sulfate is a negative radical. In that sulfate, ammonium NH4. NH4 plus 1, ammonium positive radical monovalency. And sulfate SO4, it is minus 2 negative radical. And next one you write ammonium NH4. Here you put the bracket and write it here too. Like ignore the sign. Ignore. And SO4 here 1. Exchange the valencies. And last one NH4 twice SO4 ammonium sulfate. Ammonium sulfate. NH4 twice SO4 ammonium sulfate. Have you followed how to write the chemical formula by crisscross method? Okay, will you follow that one? In the page number 49, I will send this. Page number 49 and positive radical, negative radical. Learn this one and practice yourself. Okay, thank you.